Hi, to add new page on home screen on your iPhone 16e, firstly take a look at the bottom right here. You'll see some dots which are your pages. So I got 3 dots, therefore I get 3 pages on my home screen. This is my first page, second and third. And this is app library. So let's add fourth page. For that, we need to press and hold any free space on the screen, so everything will start shaking like that. And now, just move any app to our new page. So hold the app, drag it across the border, and simply drop it on this empty page, and tap down to save changes. And now I got 4 pages, as you can see. So you can also delete not needed page if you press and hold free space on the screen, tap on edit button, choose to edit pages, and simply remove any page from your home screen by clicking remove button. And that's it for today. If this video was helpful, please subscribe, like, and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.